Hello stars, welcome back to my channel, Starbakings. Today's tutorial is on how to make a unicorn cake. I mean, it's so magical, but yet it's so easy. Let's move straight into that. First, of course, you need to coat your cake. I have already done that. So you can proceed to add your finished layer onto your cake just as I am doing right now. If this is your first time on my channel, please do not leave here without subscribing. I would really appreciate if you join the family. I would be so happy to see a new subscriber. So just apply your buttercream onto your cake as I am doing right now, or you can just do it the same method you are used to doing. The main aim here is to fully cover this cake in this color of buttercream. Smoothen that buttercream up until you get it to an almost smooth spot, and then of course you can always fill those loopholes with butter and smoothen it again. And do not forget to get those sharp edges also. You can get those simple, fast, sharp edges by doing this method. I proceeded to add purple color directly into my piping bag, just as I am doing right now. And then I proceeded to add my buttercream into the piping bag. Well, this is so I can get that marble ombre effect, as you can see right here. It just means that I do not need 2 shades of buttercream to get this effect. I proceeded to pipe those rosettes on my cake. Of course, the rosettes will stand as the unicorn hair, and I made sure to do the front and the side first so I get that easy, good finish. And of course the hair is ready, so the cake is almost ready. I moved straight to apply my unicorn horn and the ears. I have a tutorial on how to make this, so do check that out, guys. Do not forget the eyes. It gives that perfect finish to your unicorn cake. There we have it. I added some pearls and a flower to the horn just to make it look as magical as a unicorn should be. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this.